Hey Python enthusiasts, welcome back to VLX Software Solutions channel, the place where we dive deep into Python concepts and make coding feel effortless. Today, we're unraveling a concept that often confuses beginners, but is super powerful once you get it: the self parameter in Python classes. So, what exactly is self? In Python, self represents the instance of the class. Think of it as a reference to the object you just created. It allows you to access the attributes and methods of that object inside the class. In simpler words, self is how Python lets an object talk to itself. Why do we need self? Unlike some languages like Java or C++, Python doesn't automatically pass the object to its methods. So, we have to explicitly include self as the first parameter in instance methods. Without it, the method wouldn't know which object's data it should work with. Self is not a keyword, it's just a strong convention. You could technically name it anything, but always use self. Everyone expects it. It's required in instance methods to access or modify instance attributes. Class methods use CLS instead of self. That's for another episode, but just keep that in mind. Understanding self is crucial, because almost everything in Python OOP revolves around instances. Once you grasp self, you'll find creating and managing objects much more intuitive. And that's a wrap on self. Next time you create a class, remember, self is your object's way of introducing itself. If you enjoyed this explanation, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with the trickiest Python concept you want us to cover next. Until next time, keep coding like a pro.